Hello everyone, here is Lonsdor new product in the new year 2024. It is called KW100, a very creative product which lets the car make much more easier. No matter you need to add keys or all key lost, KW100 will be a perfect product. By this video, you will see how excellent the performance it is. Let's have a try. This device has a standard cable. It is a power supply to the KW100 device. This I connecting to KW100. And the other side, you can see there are 3 ends. One Type-C and one for iPhone and one USB. Let's have a try the situation of all key lost. Now the car is locked and the original key is out of this car. Let's open the door and let's have a try. You see, it's the anti-self system is sounding loudly. Okay, quick generate all key lost. Start. Press the start button every 5 seconds. Okay, we can see the data of the key already. Continue. Okay, it's finished here. Look. And look. And start this car. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, welcome to contact our local dealers. Thank you very much.